In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify the spacing between questions in Jotform. If you've ever created a form on Jotform, you know that sometimes the default settings might not perfectly meet your design preferences, especially when it comes to the spacing between your questions. Adjusting this spacing can enhance the readability and overall aesthetics of your form, which can be crucial in providing a clean and professional look to your audience. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to jotform.com and log into your account using your credentials. This is your gateway to accessing all your forms and making any necessary adjustments. Once you're in, navigate to the My Forms section of your Jotform account. This area displays all the forms you've created, giving you easy access to select the one you want to customize. After locating the form you wish to adjust, click on it to go into the form builder. You'll notice a palette of icons on one side of the interface. Among them is the Form Designer icon. Give it a click. The Form Designer is a powerful tool in Jotform that allows you to tweak various design aspects of your forms to fit your specific needs. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the Styles tab within the Form Designer. This tab contains several options that let you customize the appearance of your form. Look for the question spacing option here. This is where you can control the spacing between each of your form's questions. Now, to adjust the spacing, simply change the value in the question spacing option. The value you set here is measured in pixels, which gives you precise control over how much spacing you want. Whether you're aiming for a more compact look with less spacing, or a more open feel with additional space, you can tailor it to your liking. Once you've adjusted the question spacing to your desired amount, it's a good idea to preview your form to see how these changes look in real time. Jotform provides a handy preview feature that allows you to view your form as your end users would see it. This step is essential to ensure that the spacing looks as you intended and that nothing feels out of place. And there you have it, the straightforward way to adjust question spacing in Jotform. By following these steps, you can effortlessly enhance the visual appeal and functionality of your forms. This little tweak can make a significant difference in how users interact with your questionnaire, survey, or any form of data collection you're engaging in. Thanks for watching, and happy form building!